Hello, everybody. My name's Anthony, and how are my soul searching friends today? Thank you for listening to my meditations, and we're going to do another one today. This one we're going to just do Tingsha, and I've done these before, and so these have all the symbols of the Tibetan priests and compassion, the symbols of love, healing, and compassion. So just listen, see what resonates for you, and let's just put our feet on the ground, sit back in the chair, and get kind of relaxed and allow yourself to just sit there. In a minute, feel your seat against the seat of the chair. Feel your arms on the armrest if there is, or just in your lap. Allow your head to just kind of get centered wherever it's at. And allow the energy of the universe to just kind of start moving down from the top of your head, all the way up from here, all the way down your body, all the way down your spine, all the way down the bottom of your spine, your coccyx area, all the way through the spine, down into the floor, down into the ground and the floors below, wherever you're at, until you reach the earth. And then let the energy build around your cord, your grounding energy hook up to the earth. Your grounding cord, however big you want it to be. It could be the size of a redwood tree, it could be the size of a bamboo tree, whatever you want. And let that energy move up through the ground. Feel it move up through the ground, through your feet, through your legs, through your thighs, through your hips, torso region, chest, upper chest, neck, arms, all the way up the top of your head, and just allow that energy to make you feel what that feels like. I can feel it myself, the energy just vibrating through me as I'm doing that. And then let's have the energy move from the ground all the way back up, through the top of the head, and keep going out into the universe. Now, the universe is large, so it's never ending, really, so you can just keep going. And let that energy move up, and maybe you want to hook it to a planet, a star, something that you feel connected to in that upper world or energy in the upper atmosphere. You might find a spirit in human form. You might find a soul teacher. You might just find a star, whatever it is that makes you feel connected. Allow yourself to hook into that. Good. And then connect to that upper world. Let the energy flow down through your body, back into the earth, back through your body, back through your feet, back all the way down into the earth, deep, deep, deep down, almost to the point where there's molten lava right before that. And then feel that energy come back up again. So there, you should be feeling this up and down energy that's moving up and down your body, right? Okay. And so knowing that energy is moving through you, go ahead and just take your hands and move them apart. You can keep your eyes closed, open, it doesn't really matter. And you should be able to feel some energy in between your hands. It should feel kind of not solid, but kind of like a marshmallow, and it's springy. That is the energy that you're creating. That is the energy that you have. That is your auric field, your energy, and that is what you use to heal your body. That is what you use to heal anybody else. So just feel that energy and then just bring it back to you, and just bring it back into your body, and just brush it down through your body. And then click it off your hand, and then brush it down, click it off, brush it down, click it off, and then just hold it here a minute. This is one way to ground and feel your body and to feel connected to your body. So that is a very nice meditation for anybody that finds it difficult to do any kind of long, extended sitting or meditation. And that can take 3 to 5 minutes, whatever you want. But so when you decide to come out of that, you just allow yourself to come back to the room. You can ring a bell, which I will do now, signaling the end of the meditation. And then you can also ask before you leave the meditation, what is it that I need to do? What information do I need to keep bringing forward? And if there is information for me, can you show me in ways that I will understand? Because sometimes when we ask for information, we are getting the answers all the time, only we don't understand what they are. So ask for it in a way that you totally understand it. Okay? Anyway, that's all I have today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.